Hey, what's going on? What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Your boy Trucker DIY. Now we're gonna do an unboxing
of the fuel pump. Now this is the fuel pump right here that came out of the BMW. Alright? So like I said, let me get the towels here. It took me, the reason why I paused on the BMW, because it took me a minute to get the part. So you see, what you see right here is this. Let me move this up a little bit so y'all can see. Alright, it's my little gargles. So what y'all see is this. This right here is supposed to sit like this. This is supposed to sit in there, right? So when that's sitting like this the sending unit. And I forgot how this goes, but I gotta figure this out now. Like, which way does it go in here? So I gotta figure this out. I think this goes inside that little hole, that little shaft that I took out, but I gotta figure this out right here. But I already know where the wires go. But if you look at all that corroded. You see? All of that right there. That's why I still left the wires on so I can know where to put it. This tube right here broke off. That's the tube you see sticking out, but I already got one of those. Alright, so what I'm gonna show y'all today, this is the fuel pump here. Right here. Now, what I took out, I showed y'all in the video, that little brown piece, that was this on the bottom. And this right here, oh, just came off. I don't even know where that went. But that's it right there. Hopefully, I don't have to drop the tank and clean it, but I shouldn't have to do all that. Alright, so that's that. That's your fuel pump. Now, this how it goes. You see? This is the difference. This fell off in the car. This is the new piece here. This is the new piece. Alright, so that's that. And this right here is the sending unit. This is what I had to wait 3 weeks for. So it fell out. It's the new sending unit here. That's that right there. Right fuel pump sensor. Alright. And make sure I ain't got my name on it, because you know, they go crazy trying to figure out your information. It just don't make no sense, but that's that right there. This right here is a clamp. This is the clamp that I need to put on. I don't even know how this works, but I don't know how it goes on. I don't know how you put the clamp that on there, but alright, so this is the new piece here. This is the new piece here. It's supposed to raise up. See, this is what happens right here. When you empty, it sits down. When you full, it raises up to tell you how much gas you got in the car. That's that right there. Alright, so it ain't really nothing special, no lubricants to put on it. Now, if you look at the old piece here, this was sitting in the car for 11 years. See the difference? See how rusty that arm is? Look at the shaft on it. See that? That's a night and day right there. See? You see the wires right here exposed? You see right here? All of this here? See that this piece here that's hanging? That's this right here, the black piece. You know? So we're going to put that there. And pretty much what we're going to do here is follow instructions. See? I don't think I need this. Because I already have it on here. So I'm going to have to see. That's why this piece got to come off. This got to come off. Because I already have that on here. I already have it on here. So I just got to figure out how I'm going to take this off. Because I don't know how they clamp that on there. Might be a little screwdriver or something to pry it. Pry it off, but let me see. It's like a little tab here. Let me see if I can get a little screwdriver to pry it off. I had a screwdriver. Should be in my pocket. Right, here you go. Alright, so what we're gonna do is I gotta try to get this off so I can slide that on. But I really don't want to damage this little piece. Ooh, there you go. Kinda jump right there. Alright, so what we're gonna do, try to slide back this way. Let y'all see what I'm doing real quick. There you go. So I'm gonna try to slide this off with your hands, so don't cut yourself. That's that right there. You got that on pretty tight. You got that on there. Alright, so yeah, I'll take it off of there. But that's already on. And plus, take that off. It comes with another one in the bag for the fuel pump. I just need to get this off now. I don't want to damage it because this could be used for something else. Watch how I do it. Because I want to tear my skin up. Pull up. See? I think I got that on there. I'm pretty tight. I don't want to tear nothing up. That's on tight. See if I can pry it up. Different. I don't want to damage nothing though. Because I want to tear my skin up. There you go. I have to damage this little hole to get it off, but I don't want to damage that neither. So I don't do all that. I'm going to have to buy another one of these things. I might have to cut it. Yeah, I might have to cut that with a razor. I might have to get cut off thin. I have to cut that. Like, cut it thin so I can get it. Right. That should be it right there. careful because I don't want to cut the shaft on it. There you go. Got that thing in there. Gotta be sitting on some grooves or something. There you go. Alright, we got it. Got a nipple in there. You see? That's what was sticking in there. See that nipple right there? It gets locked behind that right there. That's why I had to struggle on the defense. Alright. Let me stop playing. Let's see if we can get this one back on here. I think I'm gonna have to just tighten it. I don't know. I'm gonna have to put a clamp or something. Yeah. I don't know how I'm gonna do that without. Anything else in this bag? The O-ring, came with O-ring, came with that. Nada. I guess they should put the old one in here. Or that's just bubble wrap. Alright, one more thing it came with. Oh, it's this one here too. Okay. We're gonna have to just hit this with the pliers, I guess. And try to tighten it, get it on there. Once I get this on, that's gonna be a wrap. Alright, so. Where was that? Anytime you're doing something like this, try to put some W40 on it. Alright, I got a can of B-Blast right here, so we're gonna throw some B-Blast on there. There we go. Once you push that on there, you don't just want to make sure you want to lube it up so it's going easy. You know how to put a hole on a nipple. You know how that goes. Yeah, it's gonna be kind of tight trying to get that on there. Hold on, let me check something real quick before I shove it down there. I just want to check how much room I'm gonna have when I go. Alright, so this gotta go back some more here. It's gotta go back in there. Alright, once I push it on, that's a wrap. So make sure we get the whole thing on there. Push it down. See, that one already closed. That's a smaller one. It's closed already. Still gotta open it up. You know what? Let me see if I can use the one that came with it, since I already took that one off. Yeah, same shit, same thing. Still gotta open this thing up. Yeah, it's all the same thing. That's just bigger. This one right here, I forgot how you... There you go. You gotta push it down. Wash your fingers when you're doing this. There you go. Alright, so hopefully we can get this back on the way I took it off. Hopefully. I'm just trying to get it over these grooves so when I get the slide on, then I can go ahead and lock it back down. And that's what I'm trying to do right now anyway. There you go. That's why I wanted that. If it don't work, I'll use that one. Alright. We're just gonna push this on here, like so. Try to walk it down so you can get it to the base. Once you walk it down, you're pretty much good. There you go. You walked it in there. So now we gotta do now is clamp it. So at the same time, you know, it's self-explanatory. You got your big plug, your little plug. You know your little plug ain't gonna go on the big plug. Like so. You see right here? This little one ain't going over here. But it's gonna go over here. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna put that big one on there, like so. And you're gonna put your little one, try to stretch it over there. And get behind the wire or something and stick that on there. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it right there. And once I clamp it, we good. And all we gotta do now is stick that back in the car, and we good. The fuel pump is on, baby. All right, so this the assembly process. So it's gonna be this just the assembly of this. So we'll go ahead and put this back in the car. Once I clamp this with no problem, I'm gonna have to go get my needle nose pliers. Let me go get those real quick. Then we come right back. Like I said, if you look at this, you see now. If you look right here, you see how the rubber is still connected, solid, and it's through the housing. All of that, right? And this stayed in the car for 11 years. Now, look at all the plugs. Everything is white. Everything is new. This 11 years right here. You see? All that's green. All of that. You see how the rubber broke off? Look at the rubber. It's not there no more. That's the fuel pump. Fuel pump is shot. You see that piece right there? That's where your strainer go. Them little piece I was taking out. Right? Look. That's the bag. Still there. Alright? Let me go ahead and get some needle pliers. I'll be right back. Alright, you know everything ain't food, bro. Alright, so we got these. We're gonna try to clamp this back. Then we done. We'll try to clamp it back without tearing it. No, I should have glued in plugs. There you go. That's all. What we need to do is get this on here. Once I get that there, I need to press down on it. That'll be the crazy part. Just trying to get it to where it's gonna sit in the groove. We don't need it to come off while you in the car. Still need to come off. So. Okay, let's see something. Everything on the floor. That's the name of the game. Put that over there. Just trying to figure out how do we snap this. So let y'all see all this because y'all need to know. Do the same thing I'm doing once I get to this point. This point is trying to do this. I think we got it. I think we got it. No, we ain't got it. Because it's supposed to be tight. Yeah, it's supposed to be tight in there. No, that's supposed to be tight. That ain't how it's supposed to be. That's supposed to be tight. It's supposed to get out more than that. I don't think we got that. That's supposed to be on there tight. I'm gonna have to get a smaller one to tie on here. That ain't tight enough for me. Maybe if I press down on it, it'll be tight. Yeah, it's already behind it. I don't think that's gonna work. It's not tight enough for me. I'm not satisfied with that. I'm gonna need to now I have to put this old one back on. This one ain't doing it. Unless there's a certain way I'm supposed to turn it to make it tight. I don't know. That ain't tight enough for me. Come off, but it's supposed to be tight up in there. I take it off. It's supposed to be tight. It ain't gonna be tight. I don't need it on there. It's not gonna be no good if it ain't tight. There's another. Nah, I'm gonna take it off. If you ain't satisfied with what you're doing, don't just go ahead and do it, because what's going to happen is it's going to cost you in the long run. off real quick. Alright, if I can't do it, I get a smaller clamp and just tie it down and hope it don't come off. But I'm going to put this old one back on. This old one seems like gonna be the way to go right now anyway. And I don't want to take this back off because I already got that shoved on there. So I might have to get a clamp. Been that. But if it don't work, I just go another route with it. Get that back on in. Press this like where it's supposed to be. Get right back at ya.
All right, YouTube, come back here with an update. This your boy Trucker_DIY. Now we finally got it. I couldn't get the clamp on it, so what I did was I put one of these zip tie downs on it right here. So that went on that end right there, so that's gonna hold. All right. So this is how it's supposed to look. You see the black coating? This tube goes from here to here. And see how the wires got the coating on it? So what you're gonna see here is this. This the old one. Like I said, this the old one. Look at all the wire exposed. Look at all that. All this exposed. Now, even if I wanted to say, cool, I can keep the sending unit, this piece here, and try to clean all of this up, but the wiring gotta go. You know, all of this I can just keep just for future reference, just in case somebody need a sending unit and they have an old one that broke. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just end up taking off. I'm gonna just hit this with a wire brush, whatever I can do with it, and I just clean all this up, take all this old wire off, clean this up here, and I just keep this whole base piece, just in case somebody who need one on YouTube. So if you on YouTube, you need this, just drop a comment, and I'll send it to you if you need it. But other than that, I don't need it. But it's definitely coming off this pump. The pump is done. So this the pump here. This is the pump. The bag is going, the strainer going, everything. There's nothing but a hole in there. That's going. All right. And this the new stuff here. This was about to go on the car today. This all the new stuff. So it's already on, set, ready to go. Just gotta figure it out. All right. So let me go ahead to the car, set everything up, bring y'all with me so we can get this pump in the car. And make sure everything is dried up, put everything in the bag, and we good. All right. Thanks for watching. All right, YouTube, make sure you hit the like button on the way in, on the way out. Subscribe to the channel, share the video, subscribe. We out of here. Thanks for watching.